It feels like I'm too young to have sleep problems. Is it actually possible that I need a CPAP? If that's you, I can help. I am Jeff Copeland, and I've been working with people for well over 20 years, helping them to get a quiet night's sleep. If you want to explore the need for CPAP, even though you think you're too young, comment HELP, and I'll connect you to resources that include testimonials, free video resources, and online coaching to get the answers you're looking for. And don't forget, hit the follow button to see more posts.